Welcome to Mapack, where innovation meets efficiency in the world of packaging. At Mapack, precision, reliability, and customer satisfaction are at the core of what we do. Today, we'll look closer at our boxing machine and its features. First of all, our machines are manufactured according to CE standards. Customize your packaging process with the option of a fixed or variable shape-forming head based on your specific needs and preferences. Accumulation conveyor for empty boxes. Enhance your packaging precision with the optional box vibration system, ensuring optimal product placement tailored to your preferences. Experience flexibility and precision with our variable speed intermittent sealing machine, seamlessly controlled by advanced PLC technology. Ensure accuracy with the open box control photocell feature, and for added versatility, consider our optional labeling machine to streamline your packaging process.